guys, I'm Fiona. In today's training video, we will ask Engineer Wang to explain you guys about tension of the first fish cutting spring. The length of the spring is 60 mm. This length refers to the effective length of the spring. Exclude the length of the left and right pull hook part. About tension of the spring, according to our experience, stress the spring to the 85 up to 90 mm is the best. The spring tension shows in the video is relative moderate. The spring cannot pull too tight. Too tight, easy to break the cutting wire and cause the nylon wire hold tension resistance is too big. If the spring will be longer than 8 or 9 cm, the wire holder resistance is too large. The servo motor will appear alarm. The spring should not be too loose as well. Too loose will lead to cutting wire bend, resulting in the inaccurate cutting size. For continued EPS cutting line, we suggest to use the 0.38 mm cutting wire. If you have any question, please let us know. We love questions. Questions are great that give us ideas for future content. So, if you've got something you want to see me cover, please let me know about it. I'll see you next video.